Hello everyone. So we are back again and this time we have something interesting. As you all can see, a cube or cuboid because we don't know the dimensions yet on screen. So today we're gonna discuss, and you have already seen it on the thumbnail, we are going to discuss curved surface area and total surface area's difference. Because most of my students are so confused till date, they are so confused about curved surface area and total surface area, and they don't even know when to find which one. Like if nothing is asked, then to find which one. So here we go, let's start from the beginning. So as you can see, the cuboid, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. Okay. Now this cuboid is formed using these 2D shapes, 2D rectangles we can say. So let's say how are they formed. When I'm gonna open these are the faces, and these are going to be forming the faces of my cuboid. So this dotted one is the base. This green and blue is going to be the walls. This yellow one and purple one is going to be the walls, other ones, and this gray one would be the roof, you can say. Okay, so slowly we're gonna cover it. That's how the cuboid is formed. Okay, so let's discuss the total surface area and the curved surface area. Let's go for it. I hope you can see that. And here we go. You have already seen this one. So I'm gonna call it this, and this is front and back. This is top, this is bottom. This is left face, this is right face. I hope this is understood. Now, curved surface area, total surface area. First of all, as the name says, what do you mean by surface area? For that, we need to know what do you mean by area first. So, area means the portion in between the 2D shape. Because we already know the perimeter is the boundary. That's perimeter, and area is the inside portion. I hope that makes sense. Now, surface area means how much surface has my 3D shape or my thing has covered, right? Hence, it's called surface area. Now, which one to find when? Total surface area. Total means all the surface area. Like you can imagine sorry about the background noise. You can imagine it's a room, okay? And this face, this face, this face, and this face, the front face, this one, are the walls. I would say this is the floor, and the top one is the ceiling. I hope the spelling is right. Okay. Now, what do you mean by total surface area? Suppose I need a white paint or something to use in the all walls, floor and ceiling of my wall, right? How do I find the surface area? I'm gonna find the area of this face first. Just this face. Just this face. This face's area, this face's area, the lower face area, all the faces area. Okay. Now, very important thing, if we do, we should know how many faces my cuboid has. So, faces is 6. All these arrows are representing faces, right? Cuboid I'm talking about. Edges. Now, what are edges? Everybody is so confused in between edges. They feel like, oh, maybe this is edge, or I think just this is edge. Yes, this is edge, but actually edge is the line, the corner which is joining the dotted corners, just the dots, right? So for that I should know how many corners are there, and corners are called vertices. How many vertices my cuboid has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, how many lines are joining these vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, 4 above, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. Okay? Now, let's continue. If there are edges, I'm really sorry if you can hear the dog barking, but let's continue. We have to study. Okay. So now, let's continue talk about the surface area. I need to find this rectangle's area, all the rectangles area one by one, and then gonna add it to do the total surface area. Okay. Now, let's move on to the opened net. So, this thing is called net. This is a net. Now, this, and this. They all three of them have different measurements, right? So, for that, we need to go to the cube. Let's come back to the cube. Let's say this is my length. Length is 3. This is my width. Width is 2. And this is my height. This thing is my height. And let's say height is 5. Yep, doable. Let's move on. So, this was length. So, this part was 3. This, because it's going to be the wall. So, height 5. And this part would become here, because this is again height when it was opening, right? So, this part would be width 4. Now, you all understood which is which one. So, let's go for it. 3, 5. This is same as this. Now, let's go for this base one. This is width 4 and 3 again. Now this one, this is 4, this is 5. This one and this one is same. This one and this one is same. Nice. Now let's do one by one. The base one, okay. Base area is going to be 4 times 3. Wall, purple wall is going to be 3 times 5. Blue wall is going to be 4 times 5. Now, we have all of them twice. Hence, total surface area would be 2 times LP or LW, BH or WH plus HL, means 2 times all of their addition, which would be 94. And suppose they all are in meters, so meter square. I hope the total surface area is clear. Now, let's talk about the curved surface area. We are just going to take the curved portion, like this curved portion means in curved surface area, all the walls are included, not the ceiling, not the base, just the curved surface area. So, what would that be? Curved surface area would be, first of all, this wall, means L times H, and similarly backside 2 plus the side wall H times W. Similarly, the opposite side. So 2H is common, L plus B or L plus W is the curved surface area. So in this case, let's go for 2 times 5, 3 plus 4. So 2 times 5 times 12 means 120 meters square is the curved surface area. I hope you understood these differences. I'll try to come up with more innovative methods to teach you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.